How to close Keybank account. Keybank is a U.S.-based regional bank, offering retail, commercial, and investment banking services. It provides financial solutions like personal banking, corporate finance, wealth management, and investment banking, catering to individuals, businesses, and corporations. You can quickly and easily close your Keybank checking account by calling at this number. Or you can visit Keybank branches. To close a joint checking account, one owner will need to visit a branch. To close your Keybank checking account, you'll need to make sure you don't have any pending transactions that would hit after the account is closed. When you close the account, we'll give you a cashier's check for the account balance or transfer that amount into another account you have opened here or at another institution. That's it. Thanks for watching.